So the most important thing here is having a Google account. And as you can see, we have an account over here that we created purposely for this goal. And the reason I created is because I can't use your personal email because that is for your work. So I had to use this so that we may be able to work on it. Okay, so you sign in. So by signing in, you remember our password was sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God, I have to read it again. So this is the password. So once you get, this is the email, this is the password. So log in. Once you log in, I encourage you to go to type in Google Colab. And then once you type in Google Colab, you will have access to Google Colab in itself. Therefore, as you can see, this is the page, and it explains to us that it requires a Jupyter. It's hosted by Jupyter Notebook, and therefore it requires no you setting up or allows you free access to computer resources, including GPUs and TPUs. Okay, so that's the jargon around it. Next, so open your collab. So basically, if you want information concerning notebooks, concerning Gemini API, concerning AI and machine learning, I mean, they have so many resources, data and analytics. They have a bunch of resources that we can use, cloud computing to data visualization, how can help in education, in fun, in science. I mean, they have a bunch of resources and they have categorized it here so that you can have access and just get to it. Okay, so if you also want additional resources about it, like how can you be supported? Yeah, like do you want artificial intelligence and ML, machine learning resources? Yeah, like they have an open source for that. Data sets, how to deal with data sets, crowdsourcing, data search, enterprise resources. Then, if you want things on notes that have been released recently, you can access that. Yeah, collaboratory release notes, they show you what has been recently released. Yeah, I mean, this thing is being upgraded daily and then working on it around the clock, I think. So getting to what we are working on. So here we've been welcome to Collab, and then there's information where how we can explore Gemini API, how you can use Google AI Studio, how can you use, they also have a video for that, what is Collab, getting started, data science, machine learning, featured examples, like all these resources are available for us. This is the table of contents. If we can just navigate through, and this is the find and replace section if we want to find something. This is the code snippets if you want to filter code. So basically, then this is the secrets. Like if you want to hide something, but you don't want it to be just seen over there. And this is where you add your files. So we have a file, you can edit, you can view, you can insert a file from a different source, you can run time, you can have tools, yeah, can get help. So this is our Google Colab. So Getting to how to create a notebook, you go to file. Then, so when you go to file, you have open notebook, upload notebook, save a copy. So if I've sent you a file and you want to read that file, so you go to upload notebook, yeah. Then you can go to a file that I recently sent. Let's say I recently sent you a file, so you go to maybe is it downloads, because mine was in downloads. Then I think, okay, for me I have so many things, so I can just type IP. Yeah, you want an IPYNB file. Okay, so I can load this here. Okay, let me try again. So if I have a file that I need to upload, mhm, it's because I'm uploading a folder. So let me maybe browse. So I have this file that I have. So it's an IPYNB file. So I upload it. Then I have access to that file. So if I've sent you a file, this is the only way you can read a file, not by directly opening it, but going to your Colab and uploading the notebook, then you can be able to see the file. Let's try again. We can upload another file. So you come, you open file, then open notebooks, then upload. So you can directly say browse and go to your downloads and then say, sorry, I'm washing and my machine is misbehaving. So go to let's say line chats, the one that I sent recently. So you say open, and then you can see that we can it opens the file and we can be able to read it. Okay, now let's say we have an assignment that we need to do. Okay, let's work on this activity 5. Yeah, so this is activity 5 or 6. Just a minute. So activity 5 requires us to have which file. So we need to load the file called telco customer channel CSV. So you need to find that file. So on your Canva, there is a section of files that you need to download. So in this case, we need to download the telco customer channel first. So once you download that file, uh, you come to your Google Colab. You come back to Google Colab. So these are the instructions that we have been given by our tutor. So what we need is to like generate what has been done. Yeah. So what we need is a new notebook. So you go to file. Wait a minute. I think I've gone really fast over there. So you come to file, then say new notebook in Drive. Okay. So we have opened a new notebook. Okay. Then what you need to do is upload the file. So go to files, this section over here, and then upload. So we have recently downloaded the file and it's called Telco Customer Chan. So upload it here. So they give you a warning that you ensure that the files are saved elsewhere, this runtime